Hello friends, we are in Matheran in this amazing weather having yoga retreat with Abhi, and this is one of the most beautiful experiences which I had in quite some time now. Abhi is a great trainer and a teacher. The way he teaches yoga, I have attended many yoga courses before. If you want to live a very healthy life, please come and attend with Abhi. Abhi, you rock!
Hi friends! Yeah, are you searching for a yoga session? Something very excellent, exciting? Abhi, we fondly call him Abhi. He gives all the techniques of yoga with all the steps. He will make you understand when to inhale, when to exhale. Because previously I was practicing yoga, but I was not performing very well with the breathing. Within 4 days, he made us understand what is yoga, how to perform it, how to be systematic, everything. And everybody have changed, and I think I have even lost some kgs.
Hi friends, I am here at the 5th day of yoga retreat with Abhi. I would like to share something. I met Abhi 6-7 months back in an NLP training. He helped me with some yoga techniques and postures. Initially I was not able to do even 3 Surya Namaskars, and now with his help I am able to do around 108 Surya Namaskar. This is like a personal achievement for me. If you're looking for some wellness, if you want to come out of some medical issues, or if you want to improve yourself, then you should definitely attend one of his programs.
Here to share my experience coming for the yoga retreats. It's a very good experience, I would say. One of the best experience I've had. I would say Abhi is a wonderful person, very knowledgeable person, very helpful person, and he's somebody who can understand people very well. And I would highly suggest people to come over here for his program.
I attended 5 days yoga retreat with Abhi. Every year I come to Matheran to enjoy the scenic beauty here. But for the first time I have enjoyed this scenic beauty with some mind and body workshop. And Abhi is an amazing person, so I am really happy. For the first time I understood the connection between body, mind and spirit with Abhi. So thank you very much for this wonderful experience. If you are very much interested to find this connection and find remedy for all the problems that you face, mental, physical, psychological, then Abhi's Wellness Retreat is the answer to it.